Most men think success is all about strategy, hustle, and execution. But what if I told you your woman's support is the ultimate cheat code? Because the truth is, a man who feels supported at home is unstoppable in business, period. And the man who doesn't constantly second guesses himself. My fiance has generated over $1.5 million in revenue in just under 1.5 years, and he says he couldn't have done it without my support. That's why I help married business owners build relationships that fuel their mission, not drains it. Because the right relationship doesn't just feel good, it multiplies your growth. The most powerful men in the world don't go at it alone. They have one secret weapon, a woman who believes in them, and that is just powerful. I can't put into words how powerful that is. Let's talk about why support from your woman isn't just, nice to have. It's the difference maker. If you want to unlock your next level in business, you can't afford to ignore your relationship. You just can't. When your woman genuinely believes in you, you walk into rooms with more confidence. You make bolder, wiser decisions. You recover from setbacks faster. You operate like a man who knows he's not alone. But here's what most men miss. They don't know how to unlock that kind of support. They think it just should be there. But a feminine woman needs something very specific to give you that kind of full body, ride or die support. She needs to feel safe in your leadership. She needs to trust your vision. She needs to know you value her presence, not just her performance. When she feels those things, she naturally just pours life into you. And when she doesn't, she'll withhold. Not to punish, but to protect herself. Support isn't just emotional fluff, it's strategic. When you have a woman who's in your corner, who pours belief into you, who holds down the vision when you're feeling like giving up, everything changes. I wish my fiance was here to tell you. You make clear decisions. You operate with more certainty. You take bigger risks with less fear. Why? Because you're not carrying the weight of the world alone. Men often underestimate how much their woman's energy impacts their performance. When she's supportive, when she's aligned with your mission, you feel unstoppable. When she's distant, critical, or checked out, it's like trying to build an empire with one hand tied behind your back. That's hard. Here's the truth. I'll tell you from a woman. Most women want to support their man, but they don't know how to when there's emotional disconnection, unresolved tension, or a lack of clarity in the relationship. If you're a married business owner who wants to unlock your woman's support, not through manipulation, but through real emotional leadership, I can help. Book a call using the link in the description because you shouldn't have to sacrifice love to succeed in business. You can have both. My man used to be very mission driven, but emotionally closed off. He didn't realize that his intensity made me feel like I was walking on eggshells all the time. Once he started showing up with ownership, asking questions like, what do you need to feel supported? How can I lead us better? That changed everything. I wanted to be more nurturing. I wanted to speak life into him. I wanted to pour my energy into his mission, supporting that, because now I feel seen. I feel safe. I feel like we're in this together. For the longest, I thought we were in different missions. I wasn't aligned with what he wanted to do, but now we are. Your woman wants to support you. She really, really does. As a woman, I am not lying when I say that. She wants to be your soft place to land, no matter how bold she may be. But if she's holding back, there's something broken in the emotional connection, and it's costing you your energy, focus, and long-term momentum. When a woman feels emotionally safe, led, and valued, she naturally steps into her supportive, nurturing, powerful, feminine energy. And that energy, it feeds you. It gives you strength when you're weak, vision when you're lost, peace when the pressure is heavy. That's why this work matters. You're not just improving your relationships, you're optimizing your life and business by removing the emotional friction that slows you both down. Because the truth is, when your relationship is thriving, your business gets the overflow. If your business is growing, but your relationship feels flat, if you feel like you can't be fully honest at home without starting a fight, if you're secretly wondering whether success is even worth it without her by your side, then it's time to fix the foundation. I coach high-performing men to lead with clarity at home so they can win with peace and power in business. Click the link below to book a call, because when your woman's fully behind you, there's nothing you cannot do. Click the link now. Let's talk.